What's going, guys? It's FantasyTheHedgehog here. Welcome back to another gameplay video. Not gameplay. New video today. This time I'm gonna be on doing a Sonic ship tier list. So, since Valentine's Day is like around the corner, and I figure, well, we do something special. I do something special. So, now, to be honest, for the first 8 minutes of this video earlier, I did make the tier list like what I wrote and all, my favorite ships and all, but it's just I already put 4 in, and I didn't know the mic was not. I didn't know the mic was on, so yeah, I just realized that. So, oh boy, it's been a long week for me, but hey, I'm willing to wind down now for weekend, and hopefully things settle down. So, without further ado, let's get into today's video. So, okay, so you can tell. So. There's some no's right here I don't see happening, so... Amy... Okay, I do see happening. Now, I know there's an ad on the screen, but we're going to ignore that, because I tried to get it off, but I don't think it's going to leave, so, yeah. Yeah, no, not going to happen. Sorry, no. No! Okay, I don't see them... Okay, I don't see Sonic and Tails as, like, a couple. I mostly see them as, like, brother and figure... Or family figure like Bert and, brothers. So, yeah. What? Okay, here we go. So, let's go back down. Sally. I know things didn't work out between them, to be honest. I mean, so... You know what? I'm just going to put besties, so... Seeing the comics were... Why, no? Why? No! 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 Why? Why? No! Stop! Okay. Blaze and Sonic, they go up here in, just friends. I mean, they could be besties, but I'm not sure. I haven't seen that much duo between them, so, I mean, same goes Rouge. I know she loves Knuckles, so... Just give me a long list, so yeah. Boom. No! Stop that! You can't handle your beer. No. This too. Get that out of here. No. Just no. Stop it. Okay. No, I don't know if he's friendly or not anymore. I mean, I had my doubts. Yeah, I'm just not sure. I see them being friends, the Sonic, Frontiers OC thing. So, yeah, being friends. Shadow and Sonic. I do ship them sometimes, so I'm just gonna put it. Favorite ship. I don't mind, yaoi ships or anything like that, so yeah. To be honest, we got a long list to go through, so. Why did he put Mario in here? Yeah, see? A lot of people. It's not letting me go up for some reason. I don't know why, but... Alright, so... Next we have... I don't know where that went off to, but... Screen, oh. I swear. Silver, I think they're just friends, Knuckles, I'm gonna say besties. They're besties. They're besties. Shadow and Amy. Okay, I don't see that much of a ship, to be honest. I mean, I mostly see them as just best friends. I mean, sure, yes, Amy's compassionate, will understand Shadow, help him out and all, but it's just, I know. Sonic's can be immature and all, but I just feel like maybe Sonic's just not ready for love at the moment. But I think Amy just needs to be patient. You know, I'm pretty sure they're all young there. I think they got a long way to go to learn about love and all. So, but you know, let's put them in besties. No, no, really, I don't really see it happen. Hmm. Damn. Now, if I had to like record on the keyboard and all, it would work out easy, but it's not. I mean, I can see Knuckles and Amy having a, you know, brother and sister relationship, you know, so yeah, like friendship, you know, so yeah. Yeah, I don't see it happening. He's definitely don't see it happening. But no! Why? I mean, I see them as friends, but no! Isn't it like Grimmel or whatever his name is? I mean, the, like, Eggman bot or whatever? I mean, I see them, yeah, as friends, but not as lovers. Mighty Armadillo and Sonic, friends. 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 I see his friends. I say neutral for these two. I'm not sure who would, you know. I've seen some Mephiles, you know, and Infinite, like, 54, but just, to me, I'm just not sure. I'm just feeling neutral about them, so I'm just not sure. You know, so yeah. Yeah, no, I'm sorry. No, stop that. Well, I can see them as being friends and all, but not as lovers. Or just neutral, you know. I'm not sure how good his relationship, because I've seen, like, pictures online, like, Tails getting his butt whooped by Shao. I'm like, come on, Shao, stop beating Tails up. What did he do to you? Nope, just, no. I'm not gonna lie, I do see happening. Sally and Shadow, I feel like it could work. It could work. It could work, but I'm not sure. So yeah, okay, Shadoosh. Let me move this up a bit. So I'm doing this on the Xbox, so that's why it's kind of slow. Not that fast, so yeah. Tails and Cream, they're pretty young. I mean, I understand. But just, if it's a Charming and Cream, I could, you know, see as a good match. But it's just, to me, I see them as friends only, not as like a lover or a couple, since, you know, they're both young. So yeah. I'm not sure if I see that happening. Yeah, so yeah. Okay, Silver and Amy, like I said, friends. Infinite Sonic, no, just, no. Not happening. No! No! You get there. You can't handle your beer. No! Stop that! No! You are done for the day. What is wrong with you? Okay, I'm not sure how well Shao would know. I'm not sure who this lady is right here. That's the echidna. But, I'm just going to put on neutral for now. No, I see them as, like, friends or allies, you know, so yeah. No, don't see it happening. No, I just see them as friends. So yeah. I'm not sure. I feel like these two would get into a fight. Yeah. So. No. 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 Okay. Why though? Why would? Okay. Uh. You know what? You can't handle you, bear. Okay. You just stop. Just stop. No, you're done. You are done for the rest of the day. Okay. Shadow. I'm not sure where they're gonna go. I mean, I can imagine they're gonna be neutral, but at the same time, not sure. Not sure. Okay, yes. Vanilla is high material and all, but I don't see, you know, Shadow again with her. I mean, everything. But I'll say they're friends. Yeah, friends. Yeah, friends. Friends. Okay, I do ship Tails and, you know, Cosmo. But I know Cosmo died. Rest in peace, Cosmo. But hey, I still ship him, even though she passed away. Poor girl. Yeah, no. No, no, no. Just stop it. But you can see him as Bestito. I mean, I'm not sure how well. I mean, I've never seen them hang out a lot and all, but I consider them like they're friends. I mean, you know, like because I know Tails has been around Sonic a lot, so I know that. But Wave and Tails, I'm not. I don't think so. I mean, nah, nah. I'm pretty sure they're like rivals and all that. So. I'm not even sure how old Ray the Flying Squirrel is, to be honest. I don't. So I'm just putting neutral. No, or just no. They're friends. They're just friends. Nothing more. I'm pretty sure I've seen it like, you know. Friends. They're friends. I see you, friends. Some people might get mad about this, but hey, it's my own opinions and all. And, you know, you gotta respect people's, you know, choices. And I'm saying, but no. No. I feel like they're allies at times, so yeah. I mean, well then again, I see as like Shadow and Rouge being allies, so yeah. I don't know why I put it in favorites, but I did. No. Get out of there. No. Yes, okay, I do ship this. Let me get this up here. I see them as friends. Allies, basically, so yeah. No, allies again, allies again. Let's move it up here. No. Hmm. I don't know. No, I don't think I'll get a ship. I'm gonna put him in friends. I see him as friends, not as a couple. SBO and Blaze, no, I don't think so. Let's see, Omega and Blaze. I say neutral. I've never seen them interact before, to be honest. Okay, yes, I do ship, Naxuj. I do. I really do. I'm pretty sure I put up here, down the besties, so. Yeah, here. Well, not exactly there, but I'm trying to get you to the top. I'm filling the friends list up a lot, so. Now, if it has Sonic's sister Sonia, then I'll put her on there with Shadow, you know, as a ship, so yeah. No, I don't see it happening. I just don't. Ray, Mighty, no, how about Knuckles and Mighty? I'm gonna say they're friends, you know, okay. Let's see here. SBO Knuckles, no, just friends. I'm sorry, I've seen her before, but again, I don't know who she is, so, I don't think Knuckles will know who she is either. I mean, I'm not sure. I'm just gonna put neutral, so yeah, I'm just not sure about that. Yeah, friends. Okay, yeah, this is Grimoire, whatever his name is, Okay, the other guy, I'm not sure who he is on Earth, who he is. I'm gonna put a neutral. I mean, or they could be enemies, but I'm not sure. No, I'm pretty sure they're related, I think. So, yeah, I'm not gonna do that. No, none of that on my channel. I could care less. No. Well, no. Sonic and Wave not Wave, Sonic and, Jet don't get along, so, yeah, no. No, I'm not sure they're related or not, but no, I don't see that happening. Yeah, no, I just see them as friends and all. Here. There's something that we go into the friends section. Like this, they're friends. Friends. Well, no. They're more like just like Sonic and Knuckles, they're like, not Sonic and Tails, they're modern version. They're like a family, so. No. They gotta start as a friend first, to be honest. I'm not gonna lie. I'm filling the friends list a lot. I'm not gonna lie. It's getting filled to the brim. Nope. Just no. No! Why? I see him as friends, not a couple. I mean... Now, Tails, I can ship him with Cosmo, but, like, if there's, like, you know, anyone else... Like, oh, Zoe. Okay, I do ship him with Zoe, you know, in the Sonic Boom, so yeah. There we go. Okay, Vectella, I do ship. The dude basically has a crush and feelings for her. He just does not want to admit to it. He's just too shy to admit to a thing about it. No, I see him as friends. I don't know why, but... Nope. Just no. Nope, nope. Friends between these two. You know, Six is, like, has really bad paranoia, so yeah. Well, I can see Tico and Knuckles being friends, so I'm pretty sure they must have met one time, but yeah. Well, I'm filling the friends list a lot, I'm not gonna lie. I mean, I'll put everyone in the friend zone. Okay, Sticks in... You know what? Screw it. Screw it. Sometimes I rarely ship them, but... just give a Shadow someone a crazy person, so... Alright. Knuckles and Sticks. I see his friends. I'm not sure if they be besties or not, Sticks and Amy, but I see them as friends. Oh, yes, here we go. Zoe and Tails. Thank you. Alright. There we go. Perfect. No. I don't see that happening, but I just see him as friends, you know. Let me check the list. Yeah, besties, like always. Besties. Besties into the end. It's like me and my besties online. Yes, son, Amy for the win! Alright. Still, family figure, not as lovers. I don't know why people will ship them together, but that's just wrong. That sounds very wrong, okay? It's just, no. I understand they've been together, but just the way I look at it, Tails and Sonic see each other as, like, you know, Phantom siblings, you know? Or not Phantom, a family figure, you know? Cause sorry about that. My mistake. As a family figure, I mean, so yeah. So, I don't know. I'm not sure. Blaze and Shadow. No, I see them as friends. Well, let's go back to more Sonic. Shadow. The friends, the group is getting filled to the brim, baby! Your friends are now ass, so yeah. No. Well, right here. Well, I'm pretty sure they're like the same person, so yeah, put them right there. No, not Sticks and Sonic. I don't see them as a couple. Just friends, you know. You know she's a whack job, so. Knuckles and Shadow, no, not gonna work. No, like the same as Mario, Amy, and Knuckles. I see them as like besties or like a bird figure kind of thing. So yeah. Tells Amy, no. I feel like they're like a sister and brother like figure to each other. So yeah. Because I feel like Amy would be like the big sister figure to Tails. So if you think about it. Or besties. Which one? Not gonna happen. Not there. I'm not sure if any of them are friends with Shadow in the Boom universe, because he did attack them and all, so that's hard for me to believe that they are like allies or not. But oh, Blaze Amy. I mean, it's a cute ship and all, but I mostly see him as, well, besties. Yes, besties. No, I just don't. Same as family figure, you know, and all. I know seeing the Shrek thing, I don't know why. Who does that? What's wrong with you? What's going through your mind to think that? Please, explain. Explain the math of the equation. Apparently you can't handle your beer either. Nah, I see him as friends. Why stop! You can't handle that beer! No! No! Stop it! Okay, I'm not sure if Marie knows about Charmy or not. I mean, they're both young, but I'm going to say neutral, so yeah. Well, I think that's today's for my ship tier, so yeah. You see who I ship with who and whatnot, and who I don't ship with. So, yeah. Anyway, guys, that was today's video for today. Like, comment, subscribe, turn notifications about my next upload, notifications, share, social media, follow social media on my channel grow. And anyway, hope you all have a nice day or night, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Stay kicking, everyone. Bye.